An Introduction to the Philosophy of Al-Madrahiyyah by Antun Saʿadeh, extracted from Dr Edmond Melhem's book, Survival and Revival. Al-Madrahiyyah is a novel social philosophy that deals with the human being in its social reality, human values, issues of human existence, and its development. It gives rise to new perspectives on society in all its psychological, economic, and political forms. It constitutes what Saadeh called a complete philosophy in society and history, a new outlook on life, the universe, and art, a starting point toward a new human elevation. Saadeh defined it as the philosophy of unified interaction that brings together the forces of humanity, emphasizing the interaction of material and spiritual factors in every human battle aimed at satisfying vital needs and elevating life. It views human existence from the perspective of the greater human truth, the truth of society, the necessary existence for the survival of man, and the realization of human essence. It rejects the sophist view that made the individual the measure of all things, the cause of chaos in society. Human life and elevation, Saadeh taught, cannot be explained solely by the spiritual or the material, but by their harmonious interaction. He affirmed that both matter and spirit are necessary, both of them for the world. The foundation of human elevation is therefore a spiritual material foundation, Madrahi, upon which superior humanity must build its future. Al-Madrahiyyah is not a foreign or imported philosophy. It grew in the soil of the Syrian environment with deep roots in history and a towering presence in life. A product of independent creative Syrian thought grounded in spiritual and intellectual independence, continuing the ancient Syrian line of wisdom from Thales and Zeno to Al-Maʿarri and Gibran. Through his genius and originality, Saadeh formulated this new social nationalist philosophy, an innovation in thought and a continuation of the ancient Syrian mind, calling upon his people to adopt its outlook and construct a new civilization that would be better than the old one, where they would find all happiness, beauty, and a promising future. Subscribe to Profile News and turn on the bell for more exclusive stories and in-depth coverage from the homeland to the world and beyond. Profile News, where stories find their voice.